Have you ever imagined an oasis right in the middle of a desert? Welcome to the Huacachina Oasis, Peru's hidden gem. Picture this: a vibrant village nestled around a natural lake, right amidst the unforgiving sands of a desert. This is Huacachina, a tiny oasis that offers a stark contrast to its arid surroundings. Its stunning beauty, coupled with a mesmerizing blend of lush greenery and golden sands, magnetizes thousands of tourists each year. Beyond the visual allure, Huacachina is steeped in rich history, adding another layer of intrigue to its charm. It's not just an oasis, it's a testament to life's ability to thrive in the most unlikely places. But the allure of Huacachina doesn't end here. Hold on, there's more to this oasis than just its mesmerizing beauty. Let's dive into the history of Huacachina. Did you know Huacachina was once a retreat for the Peruvian elite? Indeed, this oasis village, nestled amidst the towering sand dunes of the Ica Desert, has a rich and compelling history. Born in the early 20th century, Huacachina was initially a secluded hideaway, a tranquil sanctuary for Peru's upper class. The oasis, with its emerald waters surrounded by lush foliage, provided the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. However, as the years rolled by, Huacachina's reputation as a hidden gem began to spread. More and more people started to discover its charm, drawn to its unique blend of desert beauty and refreshing oasis. The once quiet retreat started to transform into a bustling tourist spot, attracting both local and international visitors. But the allure of Huacachina doesn't stop at its breathtaking scenery. The oasis is steeped in local legends that add a layer of mystique to its charm. One such tale tells the story of a young Incan princess who was bathing in the oasis when she was spotted by a hunter. Startled, she fled, leaving behind a pool of water which is said to have formed the oasis. Her flowing mantle, as legend has it, created the surrounding sand dunes. Today, the image of this princess, known as the Mermaid of Huacachina, is depicted in local art and culture. It's a symbol of the deep connection between the people and their environment, reflecting a respect for nature and its bounty that pervades Peruvian culture. Over the years, Huacachina has managed to preserve its historical charm while embracing the buzz of tourism. It's a place where past and present coexist, where ancient legends mingle with modern-day adventures. This oasis village, once the secluded retreat of the elite, now welcomes all with open arms, offering a taste of its rich history and vibrant culture to everyone who visits. From a secluded hideout to a bustling tourist spot, Huacachina has come a long way. But what about the food? The food? Let's dive into the culinary delights of this desert oasis in the next scene. Peruvian cuisine, a blend of flavors that takes you on a culinary journey. Welcome to the Epicurean heart of Huacachina, where the magic of Peruvian food culture comes alive. The dishes here are not just meals, they're stories, tales of a vibrant culture told through the medium of taste. The deliciously complex flavors of the local cuisine are a testament to the rich cultural diversity of Peru, a blend of indigenous Inca, Spanish, African, and Asian influences. Let's embark on this flavorful expedition, starting with ceviche. This iconic Peruvian dish is a melody of fresh, raw fish cured in citrus juices, spiced with ají or chili peppers, and garnished with onions, cilantro, and sweet potatoes. It's a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate, with each bite more tantalizing than the last. Next up, lomo saltado. This popular stir-fry dish is a beautiful fusion of Peruvian ingredients and Asian culinary techniques. Succulent strips of marinated beef are stir-fried with onions, tomatoes, and peppers, then served over a bed of golden, crispy fries with a side of fluffy white rice. It's a hearty, satisfying dish that warms your soul and fills your belly. Now, for the adventurous food explorers, we have anticuchos. These skewered beef hearts are a street food classic. Marinated in a mixture of vinegar, cumin, ají pepper, and garlic, then grilled to perfection, anticuchos are a testament to the Peruvian knack for turning simple ingredients into flavor-packed delights. Each dish here is an ode to Peru's rich cultural tapestry, a celebration of its diverse culinary heritage. The flavors are bold and bright, the ingredients fresh and vibrant. It's a feast for the senses, an experience that transcends boundaries and brings people together over the universal language of good food. So, Are you ready to take a bite out of these tantalizing Peruvian dishes? But wait, there's more. So why does Huacachina continue to captivate the hearts of many? Well, the answer lies in its stunning beauty, its historical significance, and its unique culinary delights. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've covered in this journey. Huacachina, a mesmerizing oasis in the heart of Peru, is a sight to behold. Its emerald waters, surrounded by undulating sand dunes and lush palm trees, paints a picture that seems to have been plucked straight out of a fairy tale. The natural beauty of Huacachina is, without a doubt, a significant draw for travelers. But the allure of Huacachina goes beyond its breathtaking views. This oasis is steeped in history, with tales of Incan princesses and healing waters that have been passed down through generations. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, where you can feel the echoes of ancient civilizations amidst the modern bustle of tourism. And let's not forget the gastronomic wonders that Huacachina has to offer. From the delicious anticuchos de corazon to the refreshing chicha morada, the food here is a delightful blend of traditional Peruvian flavors and innovative culinary techniques. It's a food lover's paradise, where every meal is an opportunity to explore a different facet of Peruvian culture. But as we revel in the enchantment of Huacachina, it's crucial to remember the importance of preserving this oasis for future generations. The delicate balance of the ecosystem must be respected, and sustainable travel practices should be at the forefront of our minds. We owe it to the generations to come to ensure that they too have the chance to experience the magic of Huacachina. Huacachina, a place where history, culture, and cuisine come together. A destination that's worth exploring. So, when are you planning your trip to this magical oasis? Before we wrap up this culinary and historical journey through Huacachina, it's time to extend a personal invitation to you, our loyal viewers. Picture yourself walking through the sandy streets, basking in the warm glow of the Peruvian sun as it reflects off the emerald waters of the oasis. Imagine yourself tasting the tantalizing flavors of the local cuisine, each bite a rich tapestry of history and tradition. Envision the thrill of learning about the ancient legends and folklore that have been passed down through generations, making you a part of Huacachina's rich tapestry. Now, isn't that a journey worth embarking on? If you're feeling the call to adventure, why not start planning your trip to this enchanting oasis? And remember, the most rewarding journeys are those that not only broaden our horizons, but also deepen our understanding of the world and our place in it. So, here's to the adventurers, the food lovers, the history buffs, and to all those who believe in the magic of travel. Huacachina awaits. And as we say goodbye to this magical oasis, we'd like to remind you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures around the world.